Okay. Welcome back to C Money Channel. Today we having what we having today?
A mukbang.
A mukbang. Yo.
Yo!
This my daughter. Introduce yourself.
Princess Tay for L.
Oh yeah, and this our first mukbang together. And what we having today, baby girl?
We got our famous sauce. We got our crab tails. We got
Crab legs.
crab legs. We got our corn. We got our shrimps. We got our broccoli. We got our eggs. We got the mustards. And then what's these?
Some potatoes.
Some potatoes.
And some spicy sauce in your sauce.
And we got some spicy sauce and some lemons.
Yeah.
But my mama kept them. I don't eat lemons.
Mm-hmm. They actually good. I don't know why she don't like them, but they good. Okay, we about to dig in. We have two crab, snow crabs, piece of that, baby.
This is snow crab.
Let me get up some paper towels. Y'all gonna start sending us more. Right now, y'all don't see King Kong. That's our little brother, aka my son.
AKA the ugly boy.
But he's not in in the video right now because he's all into his tablet. So that's okay. And plus he already ate. He don't eat seafood. Only thing he eat after seafood is the corn. And that ain't no reason for him to be in the video. Even though if he wants to, he eat something else.
He was in a hot dog. Really trying to get the food ready.
He said he didn't want to be in the video.
I don't know my phone for my phone get grease all on it.
Mm-hmm. You know what? We need a little bag. This will be our 1 second, you guys. Oh, that's just strong. That sauce is strong that I made. Ain't it, Tay?
Yeah.
Princess Tay Tay.
But it's so good. Look what we got, y'all. We got muscles.
Put your hand over your hand like that, yeah.
I see that.
You can put your shells inside this pot, okay?
Okay, these shells?
Yeah, yeah. That's our empty pot where we put our shells at. Actually, I need to put it right here so we both can reach it. Time to dig here, you guys. Alright, 7-Up. We have 7-Up. 7-Up. AKA my lemon water. I be needing my lemon water.
I'm putting this in.
Okay. She never eat the inside of the egg. She be wasting my eggs, you guys. That is alright.
This is good. Ah, that's hot.
Our muscles. Great. That's so good. Dip your muscles in like this, Princess Tay Tay. Suck it off. Yeah. So good. Our sauce actually kind of spicy. I'm gonna show you our sauce. This is our sauce. I can't tell you guys what's in it just yet, but one day I will. Right, Princess Tay Tay?
We not.
Well, she said we not, so I guess we not.
That's our special recipe. I might can't know. That's why it's called special recipe.
The eggs be banging. Yeah, it's so good. We've been craving for like what, seafood all week. We actually I had went to Red Lobster, y'all. So me and her we never ate mussels. Like until I tried it. I was at Red Lobster like last weekend. And I actually tried it, and it was good. So I brought some home to my daughter, and she actually liked it too. I thought she would like it at first. How did you, when you first tasted it, how did you like, what kind of taste bud?
It is something all together that it tasted like kind of like seafood and something else. And I just liked it real good, and my face had closed up because it was real good.
So we both just started to eat it, but we actually like it.
We just stopped the video, I think.
No, it's still going. We might have to edit that part, but it's still going. Oh, my crab is leaking.
Where's my mask, Mama?
We got our scissors.
Where's my mask, Mama?
What? It don't matter. The ones I peeled my 2 legs off one of them, so the ones that got all 5 of them on that. Excuse me.
Sorry.
That's okay. You can take it over there with you, so you don't have to worry about it. Show them your crab. There's no crab. She'll be wanting to use the scissor, y'all. She'll just be digging.
I bite them.
Bite right into them. I like to use the scissors. We don't have to trick King Kong into eating seafood, so we all can do seafood boil one night. Just me and my little family, me and my 2 kids. But until then, he'll be eating whatever he want to eat. I just put it on the list. And
Mama.
We'll be eating our seafood.
Mama.
Yes.
Can I see the scissors?
Here you go.
Oh, yeah, Mama. We here do a Q&A slash a seafood boil.
Who?
You know what Q&A is?
No.
You ask your questions.
Alright, we can do that. But we're gonna do that till the next one. It's just in the beginning. Our first video together, and we're gonna make the best out of it because we want the world to know us.
Cause we be, well, my mama, she be posting a lot of that food.
Yes, I take a picture of everything.
I deleted my videos off my channel for some reason because I didn't like them.
I don't know why she deleted them, but we all once we get better, y'all, I'm gonna start posting her on her page up, so some of y'all can follow her, the people her age, the people that want to watch, cause her brother be doing pranks and stuff on me.
I was trying to do a prank on Bumpy, but it did not work because Bumpy starts TV.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it on you, but I just need to. Cause my camera.
I'm gonna be aware. She says she'll do it on me, but
you don't know which prank it is.
I'm gonna be aware, you guys.
But you're gonna get mad though.
Everywhere. That's what you get. So for saying you're going to scare your mother, I had to get you back. And to get it first.
Come on, man. But mine's gonna be more worse than yours, Mama.
What is that?
Yep. You gonna try to tell us what's wrong. I feel like I'm gonna do it. You.
I mean, that was sweetheart.
You don't have me to go to the middle. If it's some kids watching this, I love that song like Nicole TV. I like how song like move like a snake.
Mm-hmm.
My mama like it too, cause she made me do that dance.
Mm-hmm. No, that's real fun. I like it. Princess say ate all hers, almost all her muscles. She was not playing no games with them. Why?
It's good, but it's just hot. But they still good.
Yeah. Our videos so far, we're going to make them just 20 minutes long. And sometimes it might be 15. So we're going to always watch the clock. Because I don't be wanting my phone to mess up on you guys while we're doing the video. But y'all at least get to know us a little bit. You're going to get to know us a lot because we're going to do more videos.
Are we probably gonna buy a camera soon?
Yeah, we're going to buy some nice camera. We'll have us a nice light in the back.
We gonna have a ring light.
Mm-hmm. It'll be nice.
And what's some little things called? Like when we go in the water and
What?
they be still right. Ooh, when they be still right there on your forehead. I forgot what they're called. But I made my mom get one of them because we going to the water park and sometime.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be real fun. I don't want to record myself.
We stay at the water park. Oh, I got stuff coming down my mouth. Oh. Excuse me.
Mama, Mercedes said she wanted to see you.
It's good. Lemon water is very good for you.